Hello, this video is going to show you how to complete the Connect Lab homework assignment. From the course homepage, click the Content tab. Then find the unit that you are working on. So if you're working on Unit 1, click Unit 1. Find the Unit 1 lab homework and click on that. Then click the Launch button. This will take you into the Unit 1 lab homework. At the top, you see the progress. So you can log in and out of your homework as often as you like as you work on it. It will show you how many questions you have answered. It also tells you the total points for the assignment, the due date of the assignment, that you have unlimited attempts at the assignment, and that you have the Check My Work feature up to 5 times on each of your problems. Once you're ready to continue working on your homework or to begin your homework, click on the Continue button. That will take you into the assignment. In each of these blue boxes, you need to place an answer to the question. At the bottom of the screen, you can choose which problems you want to work on. So you can scroll through by clicking the Next button, or if you click on that icon, you can choose any one of the problems to work on. On the left-hand side of your screen are the help options. So in each problem, you will see a link to the ebook as well as print, and there may be even more options for you to choose depending on your problem. So if you click on the ebook, you enter the ebook for the chapter and unit that this problem refers to. So this particular problem comes from Chapter 10, Section 1. And you can read through your text and look at various examples to help you with that homework problem. Once you're ready to answer, just put your answers into the blue boxes. And then up in the upper right-hand corner, you have the option to check my work. Notice this number in the upper right-hand corner tells you how many more chances you have at the check my work. So you start with 5 chances to check your work. So once you have every answer in, click check your work and click check your work again. And here it shows me that I got all the parts of the problem wrong. So I want to change that. So I'm going to click on Return to Question. Now I can input different answers for the ones that I got wrong. So let's put in an answer here. And then I'm just going to put random answers in for these two. Now I can do check my work again. Notice now I have 4 chances to check my work. So click on check my work, check my work. See here I got the first part right, but the second and third part are still wrong. So I'm going to return to the question. Now I don't want to change that first part because I have that right, but I do want to try again at the second and the third part. So I'm going to put an answer there, and then I'm going to put a wrong answer in here and show you. So now I have 3 chances at the check my work. So I'll click check my work again. Now I have the first part and the second part right, but I still have the third part wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and return to the question. And I'm just going to change that third part because that's the only part I got wrong. And now I have 2 chances to check my work left. So click on check my work again. Now I have all the parts correct. So I will return to the question. I still have 1 more chance at check my work, but I don't need it because I know that it's all correct. So I would click on Next to go to the next problem. I'm going to click on check my work one more time just to show you what happens when you've used up all your attempts. So now I've used up all my attempts at check my work. Notice I cannot click on check my work for this problem anymore. But you still have the option to change your answer even after you've used up all your check your work options. So I do have these all correct, but if, for example, this last one was still not correct, I could change it. I just can't check my answer anymore to see if it is correct. I will find out once I submit the homework whether or not that final answer is correct or not, after all my check my work options have been used up. So notice once you get to the second problem, now in the second problem you have 5 more chances to check your work. So on each problem you'll get 5 chances to check your work. As you progress through the assignment, make sure you're saving. So you can save. It will automatically save every 5 minutes or so, but if you're going to leave, make sure you click on Save to save all your progress. And when you have all the problems done and correct, you just go ahead and click on Submit. Then, once you've clicked submit, click on view your results and it'll show you all the problems. It'll give you an explanation of how to complete all the problems, how to get to the answers. So I got this one right, which we already knew. On the second one, I didn't get it right, but I didn't put in any answers. So notice I got 0 points on this one, but it does give me an explanation of how to complete this problem. And if you want to see the correct answers, you click on show correct answers, and it'll show you the correct answer for this problem along with the explanation of how to complete the problem correctly. So once you've reviewed your assignment to see which ones you got wrong and to see how to do those problems, you can attempt the assignment again. So you will start over from the beginning and have to do all the questions again, but you will have 5 chances to check your work at each problem, and you will get a chance to complete the assignment an unlimited number of times you can submit it.